My name is Ian Isaac from Lombard. There are a few blockers to technology entering manufacturing. I see them broken into three areas. One is around skills, one is around confidence, and one is around funding. I think first of all, businesses need the confidence to invest in new technology, modern additive manufacturing capabilities, cloud computing, you name it. I mean, things are moving at a huge pace, and I think businesses do need to build the confidence to invest in technology. They then need to make sure they've got the skills to acquire, operate, run, understand modern technology. And thirdly, then they need to be able to fund modern technology. And obviously asset finance brings modern funding capabilities to technology-based assets. So traditionally we've funded heavy engineering assets, but actually our products are increasingly becoming innovative and supporting technology-based assets. So businesses also need to know that they have funding available to support their ambitions. So businesses are looking to acquire a completely different range of assets than we used to see just even a decade ago. So assets have much more technology complexity involved in them, so much more software, running robotics, running automated programs, and businesses are having to actually develop their own proprietary software in order to compete in the markets that they're playing into. So that naturally leads them to ask Lombard, who fund traditional assets, they ask different questions of ourselves. So one of the things we're doing is increasingly understanding the robotics markets, the automation markets, the additive manufacturing markets, so that we can get completely comfortable with the assets that we're funding. I think the second big point is that we've also brought an innovative new product to the market, which is called software solutions, where actually we fund businesses' proprietary software and IP, so it actually enables a business to invest in their own self-developed software, which will bring huge competitive advantages for those businesses.